In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card account in Xero. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Xero organization and that you have permission to manage bank accounts. This process is quick, and by the end, you'll have a dedicated place to track credit card spending and reconcile it properly. First, open Xero and head to your dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Accounting. This is where Xero keeps all of your financial tools, including the place we need to manage accounts. Next, choose Bank Accounts. Even though we're adding a credit card, Xero groups bank accounts, credit cards, and other cash accounts together, so this is the right spot. You'll see any existing accounts listed here, plus the option to add a new one. Click Add Bank Account. Xero will present a search page that's designed to help you connect a live bank feed. A bank feed automatically imports transactions from your financial institution. If you don't want that, or your card issuer isn't supported, you can still set things up manually. On this screen, choose the option to add the account without a bank feed. This tells Xero you'll handle transactions yourself, either by importing statements or entering them as you go. It's a great choice if your provider doesn't offer a feed, if you're waiting on approval, or if you prefer more control over what gets imported. When Xero asks for the account type, select credit card. This is important. Picking the correct type ensures Xero treats the balance as a liability and structures reconciliations the right way, so payments to the card and individual charges appear where you expect. From here, Xero will guide you through a brief form. Give the account a clear name, like the card brand plus the last 4 digits, so it's easy to recognize on reports. Choose the correct currency and, if prompted, set an opening balance date that matches your credit card statement. If you're not sure about the balance, you can leave it blank and update it once you have the statement in hand. A couple of tips as you wrap up. Avoid creating duplicate accounts for the same card. If you plan to connect a feed later, you can link it to this manual account instead of starting over. For teams with multiple cardholders who receive separate statements, consider creating one account per card so reconciliation stays clean. Once saved, your credit card account is ready to use. You can start recording spend money transactions, import a statement file to bring in recent activity, and reconcile charges against receipts. That's all it takes to add a credit card account in Xero cleanly and confidently.